I'm here at my newest listing right here in my hometown of Parrish, Florida, in the beautiful gated golfing community of River Wilderness. So did you know that River Wilderness is the only golfing community in Parrish proper, 34219? Yeah, it's true. It's the only golf course. Now we have golf courses around us. As you go over Fort Hamer Bridge, you've got Waterleaf. Oh, that's a beautiful community too, but that's considered Bradenton. So if you want something in Parrish with the taxes that we have in Parrish, not in Bradenton, then you would probably want to check out River Wilderness. And I guess if you want golf, well, it's kind of the only one you get to check out because it's the only golfing community that we have. So what are you going to find in River Wilderness? They are on, for the most part, these homes are custom built on larger lots. That means you're going to have space between the houses that you don't get in a lot of these cookie cutter new communities. You are going to find that quintessential Florida feeling when you drive in through the manned gates. Yes, this is a gated community with a guard, a security gate, and they're really good about keeping this place pretty secure. I like the rules that they have and who can come in and who can't. But once you drive through those gates, and I'm going to show you that in a few minutes, oh yeah, it's like you can hear angels singing, and of course you can hear people calling for. But you are going to see beautiful foliage. You're going to see, of course, mature landscaping that you just don't get in a lot of communities, especially in a newer area like Parrish. And I love how quiet River Wilderness is. It's sort of tucked in there, and you've got a few sections. So the section we're going to talk about today is called the hammocks. So these were built with retirees in mind, you know, professionals that don't have kids yet. Of course, it's not age restricted, so anybody can live in here, but it really does give off that feel of maturity, of professionalism, sophistication. And who doesn't want to live somewhere where someone else takes care of the lawn? If you live here like I do, you know during the summer, you kind of have to mow twice a week, and you got weeds, and you got mulching, and you got, oh my gosh, it's a pain. It's beautiful, but it's a lot of work. So if you live in the hammocks, they're going to take care of that for you. You also have tile roofs in this section of River Wilderness, which I think is really, really smart, especially those of you that know, when you know, in Florida, it's really good to have a tile roof. And this section of the hammocks does have its own pool. So if you don't live in the hammocks, you just live in the rest of River Wilderness, you can become a member of that country club and get a social membership or even a golfing membership. Again, that's not mandatory. So you're not required to pay for the maintenance and the upkeep of that golf course, which is nice because it's going to save you money. There is no CDD fee in all of River Wilderness. So that's going to save you some buckaroos there. And the HOA fees in the hammocks to take care of your lawn and that sort of thing, they're not so bad either. Again, you have your own pool. We're going to dive into seeing this great new listing right here at 12147 Red Leaf Road, right in the hammocks of River Wilderness. Let's dive in. So I told you it's pretty special right here in River Wilderness. And this home is really special. It really lives large. The carpet's brand new. The wood flooring is actually engineered wood flooring. It's not that LVP crackety-crickety stuff. Of course, there's some tile flooring as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you'll give me a ring if you'd like to come see this house and check it out for yourself. If you want to give me a call, we can chat about it. I'm Kathryn Newman. Thanks for taking this tour with me. I will check you out next time. See you then.